Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert Word document to Google Docs. So for us to get this done, I have this Word document right here. So if I open this one, it's going to look like this. And I want to convert this to Google Docs. And to do that, let's head over and open our Google right here. And yeah, from here, what you're going to do is basically just upload it here. So you can click the plus right here, file upload, and then locate that one from your desktop. Click the open right here. And once it's uploaded like this, what you can do is just basically open it from here. So you can double click it. And as you can see, it's opening this one for Google Docs. And yeah, there you go. Now you're able to open it here in Google Docs. You can then go ahead and make some changes here. And after when you're done, you can just go ahead and save this one. And you can also download this one as Microsoft Word. It's gonna work the same way. And yep, that everybody is the easiest way to convert Word document to Google Docs.